Need a conference venue in London that meets business? I'm Sophie, a venue expert at HireSpace, and here are our top picks for August. etc.venues, Fenchurch Street delivers exactly what you need for a productive conference. Located in the city, it offers flexible meeting rooms with reliable tech and professional service. It's designed for focus with everything from AV equipment to catering sorted so you can concentrate on your agenda. BMA House in Bloomsbury brings heritage and professionalism together. This Grade 2 listed building offers impressive conference facilities with high ceilings and natural light. The courtyard room can host up to 180 delegates theatre style, making it ideal for large-scale events that need a touch of character. Plaisterers Hall near Bank offers historic elegance for your conference. This livery-hall combines period features with modern conference technology. The Great Hall accommodates up to 120 people theatre style, and you'll have access to breakout spaces perfect for workshops or networking. Evolution London in Battersea Park is built for serious conferences. This purpose-built venue can host from 50 to 1,000 delegates with completely flexible layouts. You get blank canvas spaces, in-house production, and parkside location, all designed to handle conferences of any size. The Honourable Society of the Middle Temple offers something truly distinctive. This historic legal institution provides impressive halls, including Middle Temple Hall, which dates back to 1574. It's perfect for conferences where you want to make a lasting impression with a venue that commands attention. That's your lineup for August's top conference venues in London. To book your perfect venue, head over to hirespace.com.